Oh my God, it's 10 a.m. and you're running late for a big presentation. You grab your phone and ask your virtual assistant, "Hey, what's the fastest way to get to the office?" The assistant pauses for a moment, then says, "The weather today is cloudy with a 20% chance of rain." You're confused, so you try again. This time it responds, "Here's a list of coffee shops near you." Now you're frustrated. It's like the assistant isn't even listening to you. How is that helpful? You just want a direct answer, not random facts. This situation highlights the importance of dialogue, how AI systems interact with us, and how effective or frustrating that interaction can be. In this case, the virtual assistant wasn't engaging in a meaningful dialogue. It didn't understand the context of your question, nor did it adjust its responses based on what you needed. That's exactly what explanation user interfaces, xUIs, aim to fix. They're not just about delivering information. They're about creating a two-way conversation where users feel heard, understood, and empowered to explore. Dialogue in xUIs isn't just a nice-to-have feature, it's central to making AI understandable and trustworthy. It allows users to ask questions, clarify doubts, and even challenge the AI's decisions. But here's the key. Not all dialogues are created equal. Depending on the user's needs and the complexity of the system, different types of dialogues are required. Let's break this down into two main types of dialogues in xUIs. Natural dialogues. Think of natural dialogues as the easy, intuitive conversations you have with a helpful friend. In the context of xUIs, natural dialogues let users ask questions in plain language and get straightforward, understandable answers. For example, let's say you're looking at an AI-generated chart. A natural dialogue might allow you to point at a specific data point and ask, "Why is this value so high?" The system would then respond with a simple explanation like, "This spike is due to increased traffic on social media during that time." Natural dialogues are perfect for users who need quick, clear answers without diving too deep into the technical details. Inspection dialogues. Now, inspection dialogues are a whole different ballgame. These are designed for users who want to get their hands dirty and really explore the AI system. It's like popping open the hood of a car to see how the engine works. For example, let's say you're using an AI model for university admissions. An inspection dialogue might let you tweak the inputs, like GPA, extracurriculars, or essays, and see how those changes affect the outcome. These dialogues are more interactive and detailed, allowing users to investigate, experiment, and truly understand the inner workings of the AI. Here's why these dialogues are so important. They turn passive users into active participants. Instead of just receiving information, users are empowered to ask, explore, and even challenge the system. This doesn't just build trust, it creates a sense of partnership between humans and AI. When users feel like they're in control, they're more likely to trust and rely on the system. And this isn't just theoretical. Let's look at some real-world applications, natural dialogues in healthcare. Imagine a doctor asking an AI tool, "Why did you flag this patient as high risk?" and receiving a clear, contextual answer about specific symptoms or patterns in the data. Inspection dialogues in criminal justice. Picture a judge adjusting fairness thresholds in an AI model to see how it affects sentencing predictions. This kind of exploration gives decision makers deeper insights and greater control. Virtual reality inspection, dialogues. Researchers have even developed inspection dialogues in VR, allowing users to explore AI models visually, like walking through the layers of a neural network and seeing how decisions are made step by step. These types of dialogues are the future of xUIs. They don't just provide answers, they foster understanding. They don't just deliver information, they create collaboration. And most importantly, they ensure that AI systems are no longer one-sided black boxes, but interactive, explainable, and user-centered tools. Now that we've explored the different types of dialogues in xUIs, let's take it a step further. How can these principles and functionalities come together to create systems that truly empower users? On the next slide, we'll dive into how these ideas shape user experience and satisfaction. Let's keep going.